We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus John Anthony, file number 23-0035. 340 FY council appearance.
Taylor Wicks, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Anthony for purposes of arraignment only.
Go all the way up.
So where?
Yeah, perfect.
He is already a client of our office.
Thank you. You're John Anthony?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Anthony, you were previously arraigned on this matter about a month ago, actually on February 13th. You had a probable cause conference and your matter was supposed to continue to an examination. Your examination was scheduled for March 2nd. You failed to appear.
Yeah, I'd like to throw myself at the mercy of the court, Your Honor. I picked up a job house sitting and watching a friend's dog, and the dog had become ill, and it just so happened to be on the court date night. It completely blanked my mind when they called me to come over there to take care of the dog and help out with that. I didn't realize that I was gonna miss my court date, but I have the court date memorized today. It is 4/13, Your Honor, at 8:30 a.m. And I completely apologize. You can see the last both times that I've been arrested, I haven't incurred any new charges, ran away or anything like that. I am very, very happy and swear to God, I will come to court the next time. If you could please reinstate my PR bond, I will do that for you, Your Honor. I'm so sorry about missing the court date. It was not my intention whatsoever. But I have it logged into my head right now, burned in that it is April 13th at 8:30 a.m.
I recognize you have it logged in your head at this point. The concern is that if something such as dog sitting for someone can throw you off of remembering that you're supposed to be in court on a felony, that you're facing the maximum penalty of 5 years and or $2,000 in fines with a habitual offender third offense notice enhancing the penalty to twice the maximum sentence. I'm not sure that you reciting the date. I'm not sure that you reciting the date makes me feel like you're gonna come.
All
But
right,
if
Your
someone
Honor,
asks you to dog sit again.
the dog means, I'm sorry, those are just my favorite animals and they mean a great deal to me, and I'm sorry, I apologize about that. I know it's not an excuse about missing court. This is a serious matter to me. It is very serious. I take this as serious and definitely more serious than the dog. It's just I'd like a chance to continue doing well and show you that I can do well by holding down this job and showing up to court. I apologize, and I will take this as most serious matter as I can, because losing my freedom means I can't do well and help anybody. I won't recite the court date again, Your Honor, but it is burned into my memory, and I will come down here, and this is important to me. It is important to me to.
You can address bond.
Your Honor, I would just basically stand on what Mr. Anthony has told you. It's a similar story to what he told me this morning. He is a longtime resident of the Lansing community, and since he is out working and being a productive member, I would be asking for one last chance at a personal recognizance bond. Thank you.
Have you been reporting for your analysis testing?
Ma'am, I'm not sure. Yeah, I've been going to go get my Suboxone or whatever. I go up there and take drops for that. Yeah, I take UAs.
No. Did you turn yourself in on this bench warrant? How did you get picked up?
I was walking down the street and saw a police officer and stopped and talked to him.
Oh, okay. And you stopped and talked to him and he told you you had a warrant?
No, I pretty much told him I missed the court date. I think I might have a warrant.
Why didn't you turn yourself into court when you knew you missed court?
I'm not quite sure how to do that. I thought that was just the easiest way for me, Your Honor. I'm not quite sure how to go. I don't know what day to show up to not be a burden to the court system. It's what I mean.
You don't know which way to show up to not be a burden to the court system, you said?
Because yeah, I know you guys are busy and you have a court docket. I don't know which day to come in, like that is warrant day or whatever. And I thought that this was the easiest way to come in and get in front of you was to come into this. This is just the only one I've known how to do it.
Who's this public defender?
Mr. Hess, Your Honor.
Okay, when's the last time you spoke to your attorney?
That was at that court date. That was the last time. He hasn't called me at all, and I haven't called him. I figured I'd go and come and talk to you first and get another court date before I talk to my attorney again.
Okay, what's your phone number?
It's 243-8694. 517-243-8694.
That's not the number that you provided at your arraignment. So maybe your attorney doesn't have a valid number for you.
What is the 214 is the other one?
You tell me what number you provided. Did you have another number?
No, that is the only other one that I can remember at this time, Your Honor, is the 214. And that the 8.
I'm not confident that he's going to return to court on his own recognizance.
I will.
Personal recognizance is denied at this time. Bond will be set in the amount of 2,010%. Your next court date before Judge Ward is going to be April 13, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. Do you have any questions at this time?
No, thank you.
Okay, you're all set.
Yep.